Hi, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you just couldn't find what you're looking for? Are you ever confused by the different styles and prices out there? Have you ever found yourself saying these words?
This just isn't what I'm looking for.
Weatherwash Coatings is the perfect solution to your problem. Our product is eco-friendly, long-lasting, and it only takes one application. Even after a quick look at our website, you'll find yourself saying these words.
I think this is what I'm looking for. So I'm super excited to use this just because some of my blogger and Instagram friends have been telling me that it really gives you that antique kind of weathered look, which isn't really something I found even on products that are already finished and ready-made. So I thought I'd give it a try, see how it goes, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna come out looking awesome. So now that I've sanded this down with the 80 grit sandpaper, we can move on to the actual product, which is what I just ordered offline. Weatherwash wood stain in pine. So I'm super excited to test this out and see how it looks on the furniture. So as we're getting started here, it's important to know what tools you're going to want to use. So I just picked up this brush at Home Depot. You could even get them at Walmart or any craft store really. It's just a sponge brush. Something that you want to make sure you do when you're getting it in here is not to oversaturate it. So something I like to do is dip it in and then brush it off on the edges. So we're just getting that brush out, making sure it's not too oversaturated. Then when you put it on the wood, make sure you're doing nice even strokes with the grain. Just make sure if you get a little bit of drops on it that you're making sure everything gets blended in easily. All looks good. Thanks to Weatherwash, Stain, and Varnish, I now have that vintage wood look without the 100-year wait. This is definitely what I was looking for.